Crystals for stress. Would you like to have some support during stressful times? Do you find life can be stressful at certain times? Check out these 6 crystals. Ametrine blends calming and clarifying energies. It eases stress by balancing emotions and thoughts, helping you release tension while gaining clear perspective and calm focus. Cinnabar supports stress relief by addressing fear-based pressure and overwhelm. It brings awareness to what's causing strain so you can reclaim control and restore emotional strength. Note, use this crystal mindfully. It's best for intention work rather than prolonged physical contact. Fluorite brings mental order and calm. It reduces anxiety caused by overthinking, organizes scattered thoughts, and supports a peaceful, focused state of mind. Mangiocalcite offers deep emotional soothing and heart comfort. It gently releases emotional stress, supports self-compassion, and brings a sense of safety, nurturing, and calm. Lepidolite is one of the strongest stones for stress and anxiety relief. It calms the nervous system, stabilizes emotions, and supports restful sleep and emotional balance during stressful times. Shungite provides grounding and energetic protection. It absorbs stress-related energy, supports nervous system regulation, and helps you feel centered, protected, and present. My name is Vialet B Rayne, and if you'd like to learn more about these crystals, herbs, and essential oils, join us for Crystal Alchemy. You can take this in-person class in South Denver or online anytime, anywhere. I hope you'll join me for this fun, educational, and engaging program.